In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wire, frame, and design a landing page in Figma. We'll start from a blank canvas, quickly build a clean wireframe, and then polish it into a high-fidelity design that's ready to share. First, open Figma and create a new design file. Press F to switch to the frame tool, and choose a desktop size like 1440 by 1024 pixels. Think of this frame as your page boundary. Naming it landing pages keeps things tidy as your file grows. Next, set up a layout grid to keep everything aligned. In the right-hand design panel, add a grid and change it to columns. 12 columns is a common standard for web layouts because it divides cleanly into halves, thirds, and quarters. Adjust the margins and gutter so you have comfortable breathing room on the left and right. This grid will guide your spacing, help your text and images line up, and make the design easier to scan. Now, move into low-fidelity wireframing. Stay in grayscale so you focus on structure, not style. Press R to draw rectangles for image placeholders. And press T to drop in text blocks for headlines and paragraphs. Keep the hierarchy clear. Large headline up top, smaller subtext below, and consistent spacing between elements, so your layout feels intentional. Sketch the most common landing page sections. Start with a simple navigation bar at the top, a placeholder for a logo on the left, space for links on the right, and a clear primary call to action button. Below that, build your hero section with a strong headline, a short supporting sentence, a prominent CTA, and a large image or illustration placeholder. Continue with a features section that uses the grid to create clean columns. Each feature can have a small image or icon rectangle, a short heading, and a brief description. Close with a focused CTA area that reinforces the main action you want visitors to take. With the wireframe in place, turn it into a high-fidelity design by replacing placeholders with real images and color. Apply your color palette to backgrounds, text, and buttons so the primary action stands out. Swap rectangles with actual images or illustrations. Refine headings and body text for readability and maintain strong contrast for accessibility. Keep checking alignment against the grid as you go. Finally, use auto layout to make sections responsive. Select groups like the navigation, hero content, and feature rows. Apply auto layout in the direction they flow and set consistent spacing and padding. Let buttons grow with their text and test by resizing the frame to see elements adapt smoothly while staying aligned. That's it for today's walkthrough. Save your file, preview it, and you'll have a structured, polished landing page ready to share. Thanks for watching.